sa ibang mga ahensya na meron ngayong confidential funds, kasama din po ba sa magiging rekomendasyon ng Kamara, yun talagang hindi na masyadong pagbibigay nitong confi funds sa mga ahensya na hindi naman po kinakailangan, hindi lang dito sa OVP?
Well, unang-una po, yung confidential funds, it's not intrinsically evil. May mga kailangan din po yan tulad po sa mga security agencies natin. Ito po yung tinatawag na intelligence funds. Yung naman sa mga civilian agencies po natin, yung tawag po is confidential funds. What makes it bad is how they implement that. That's why we need to go back to the very basic. Ano yung sinasabi dyan sa joint circular? Bakit pagdating doon sa purchase of information, kaiba kasi yung purchase of information. Pag sinabi mong you use the confidential funds to purchase information, regardless whether the information is useful or not, pinili mo yun . So, iba naman po yung proseso doon sa payment for reward for the information gathered. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo ng certification of success doon sa ahensya na pinartner mo. That's why, hindi lang ho para sa akin na acknowledgement receipt lang, basta-basta ang tatanggapin ng COA. There has to be a proof of existence ng yung payment na yon ay tunay na tao. Dapat, apart from the acknowledgement receipt, dapat meron din silang mga identification and etc. Yun po yung titingnan natin. Now, tama po yung sinasabi nyo, if there are civilian agencies that should not have had a confidential funds, I think that's the reason why we need to go back to the process and the policies, how to implement this, because we need also to insulate other civilian agencies from ever using confidential funds na hindi naman nila kailangan from the very beginning.
Okay.
So, titingnan po natin kasi mukhang magkaiba po yung policies and yung regulations doon sa national agencies using confidential funds from that of the LGUs. Nakita po natin sa LGUs, magkaiba din po. So we also need to go there and then find out how these confidential funds are being used by the local government units para mas streamline po natin yung polisiya at hindi magkakaroon ng ganitong malfeasance and misfeasance.